Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. What's happening, party people? Man, I think somebody stole Henrietta. The last time I remember seeing Henrietta, I put Henrietta in the back of Panther and covered it up with a couple things. Next time I reached back there to get it, couldn't find it. However, I did find this little sweatshirt jacket thing in my car. Have no idea where it came from. Looks a little rough. It ain't mine. It ain't Byron's. I don't know whose it is. So I kind of think somebody got in this car one day, maybe left it open for a couple of hours, and they crawled in there, found Henrietta, screamed jackpot, and ran and left this little jacket thing. I'm going to look around a little bit more today for Henrietta, but I think somebody got me. That is a dang-on shame. If I'm wrong, because, man, there was a lot more tools in that car. Bag of tools, other valuable things. So, man, I hate to think that actually happened. Anyway, let me get started tinkering. I'm trying to get out of Cincinnati and hit the road. But I need to swap these wheels over. Having Henrietta sure would have made that easier. First tinker thing we're going to do today is replace this tail light on Byron's car. I've had this spare for a while now, just hadn't got around to replacing it. I don't know if he backed into something. I guess he backed into some kind of wall or something somewhere. Took this car to the car wash. But to get this lower one out, you got to remove the upper one. I got videos for that. Not sure why this is jacked up like this. I didn't notice that. Something hit that. It's got an impact damage on it. So I'll get one of those to replace that top one. But I'll replace this busted one on the bottom for now. It's got a whole piece of the reflector missing. Good thing it didn't do no body damage to the car. Well, I laid the golden egg again. I dropped my socket down in the skin of the car. I have no idea where that goes. But it's gone. I'm going to try to fish it out with a magnet. Probably not going to be successful. So I'm going to have to get another socket. I got the light replaced. And as hard as it is to believe, I was able to get my socket back with my magnet. That was rare. So let me close this back up. I switched the clean piece like that over there. Not the dirty one that was on the replacement light I had. Let me close this up. Be done. And the wheels over on Panther. Getting them off of Lucille. Here I go, folks. I got Panther cleaned out. Time to load him up to hit the road. So let me do a last bit of cleanup here and be ready to hit the road tomorrow or the day after. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.